So today we'll check the valves for this 2015 GL450 with the 3-liter engine twin turbo. Because of the direct injection system, the fuel is sprayed directly into the combustion chamber, so that fuel is not gonna clean up the valves like it usually do on the regular port injection. And sometimes if the crank ventilation system it's bad or it's malfunctioning, it will allow a lot of those oil vapors to go into the intake manifold and then build up on those valves. Sometimes it can get really bad, like build up to restrict the flow of air, and it will reduce the performance. So here we go, I just moved it a little bit. So there is, you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 bolts, and on the other side exactly the same, 4 bolts. And then you need to make sure you loosen this hose clamp, and I've been using the 8mm socket. Let's see what we have in here. So just make sure those valves are closed before you start cleaning, to prevent debris from going into the combustion chamber that can damage the engine really bad. To do so, you have to turn the crankshaft pulley clockwise if you look from the front of the vehicle. I used the AC compressor pulley because I didn't have access to the crankshaft pulley. Sometimes it works, sometimes it slips. Second method is the zip tie method. As you see, it's been used before, just like that. You just spray in, you introduce all the zip ties in, you spray like a carburetor cleaner or something like this, and then you do just like that, and we'll clean it really well. And after that, just spray a little bit more carburetor cleaner and use a shop vacuum to pull all that carbon out. And here's a good example on how the valves should look like, just like this. How are they actually? And now it's time to start. Yes. Here we go. We'll go now check the performance and the MPG, of course.